Akalain niyo yan, kaka-launch lang ng Hyundai nung Elantra Hybrid sa Miyas, nag-follow up na kagad. Let's turn our attention to the Hyundai Creta. Kotse ba? Philkotse na. The Creta is sure entry to the crossover segment ng Hyundai Philippines. Ang maganda rito, may N-Line na, which gives you a sportier look and mas maganda yung performance ng engine. For this facelift, the Hyundai Creta gets a heavily revised front and rear end na mukhang new generation update. The new parametric dual grille means business with edgier design and styling than before. Even sa likod, ang laki ng pinagbago with an H-themed rear design replacing the abstract design from before. Hyundai claims that the new design offers better visibility, improving the overall road presence. Dito sa loob, integrated na yung digital gauge cluster plus you get a 10.25-inch infotainment screen. May high-definition display na rin and better graphics and syempre, all the good things you'd expect from a modern Hyundai like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well as a built-in Waze application. May ventilated front seats pa for added comfort and mabilis na pagpapalamig ng upuan pag nababad sa araw. The facelifted Creta also boasts huge legroom and headroom for all passengers. There's also a large cargo space of 433 liters up to 1,401 liters with fold-flat seats. In terms of safety, the Hyundai Creta is loaded with the automaker's upgraded Smart Sense, which includes Smart Cruise Control with Stop and Go, Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, Lane Following Assist, Lane Keeping Assist, Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist, Blind Spot View Monitor, Reverse Parking Distance Warning, and Surround View Monitor.
And of course, the newest Creta of the lot, which is the N-Line, which comes with sportier bumper, bigger 18-inch wheels na may N logo sa wheel cap, and then sa loob you have a black headliner, red accents, and paddle shifters. And of course, meron siyang dual exhaust tips. Under the hood, the Creta N-Line stands out from the lineup with a more potent turbocharged 1.5-liter gasoline engine that's good for 160 horsepower and 253 Nm of torque. And yes, siya lang din sa lineup ang may 7-speed DCT as opposed to the others na mayroong CVT or IV. Okay, first impressions with the driving, ang bigat ng manibela nitong Creta N-Line. And that's a good thing because if you have a sporty car, sporty crossover, syempre gusto mo na sure-footed yung bawat liko mo. Even when in normal mode, mabigat siya. And also, may difference, medyo malaking difference when it comes to the power delivery kapag naka-sport mode sa kapag naka-normal mode. Like right now, I'm in sport mode. It's quick. It pickups quicker. And, ayun, mas ramdam mo yung power, yung additional power nung turbocharged engine. Pag normal mode naman, medyo may konting delay, which is, I guess, normal. Normal mode. Kumusta dyan, Stan? Kumusta dyan ang ride comfort at the rear?
Maganda yung ride comfort dito. Although, syempre, pagka dinaan mo sa malubak na kalsada, mararamdaman mo ng yung tag-tag ng konti. Pero hindi naman, kumbaga, hindi naman bothersome.
Sa akin, Stan, sa patag, ang stiff. And hindi siya wallowy, which is what you want. Again, with the sporty car. Gusto ko dito sa N-Line na to, sa Creta N-Line na to. Ang ganda ng handling. And nakakadagdag doon yung tigas ng manibela. Which is, yun nga, sure-footed. Gusto ko siyang i-drive actually sa mga twisties to see if ganun pa rin ba yung how this car drives when it comes to winding roads. So, initial impressions pa lang yun kasi syempre, hindi ganun karaming oras namin to drive this vehicle. For the full review, abangan nyo na lang sa philkotse.com.
The Hyundai Creta's price starts at 1,134,000 pesos for the GL variant.
And ceilings at the Creta N-Line at 1,379,000 pesos.
Available na sa mga showrooms yan. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, i-test drive nyo na. So,
Yep.
I'm Stanley Chi, ang yung senpai ng turbuhan. He's Jacob Oliva, yung boss namin sa Philkotse. So, paano ba yan? Kita-kits tayo sa next video. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philkotse.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Philkotse na!